The 91st Academy Awards isn't the first year the show won't have a host. But it will be the first time since the infamous Snow White and Rob Lowe incident. So, on this IMDb brief, can the 2019 Oscars avoid the hostless disaster of 1989?
Can you tell me how to get into the theater?
That's easy, Snow. Just follow the Hollywood stars.
Follow the Hollywood stars?
It was with that cornball joke that the 61st Oscars opened its telecast, and it all went downhill from there. Hollywood legend Alan Carr, producer of Grease and Village People biopic Can't Stop the Music, masterminded the show as an old Hollywood tribute and peppered screen legends of yesteryear throughout his spectacle.
Big one, small one, some as big as your head.
Now, 30 years later, the Oscars are hostless once more. And don't worry, Snow White probably won't be making a comeback. Nobody told Disney she was featured that night, and the Mouse House was, quote, very unhappy about it.
Keep the cameras rolling.
Okay. In place of Snow, 2019 rolls out the red carpet for more royalty. Queens Jennifer Hudson, Bette Midler, and of course Lady Gaga will perform Oscar-nominated original songs. As well as the actual Queen, who have Freddie Mercury stand-in Adam Lambert on vocals to celebrate the band's legacy and Bohemian Rhapsody's 5 nominations.
I've got to make an impression, darling.
The night has been marked by controversy from the moment host rumors surfaced. Kevin Hart dropped out after old tweets resurfaced and he refused to apologize. When Deborah Granick, Lynn Ramsey, and all the other women who directed films in 2018 were completely shut out of the Best Director race, this full-page ad was printed. Can You Ever Forgive Me got 2 acting nods, but I guess Marielle Heller had no part in directing them. Then the Academy decided to trim a few categories to keep the broadcast short, but the high-profile backlash from Oscar winners and nominees made them change their minds.
Okay, I'll read it then.
The 91st Academy Awards will have plenty of drama and intrigue. It's Hollywood, people. But it'll be a night for the history books as Black Panther strives to become the first superhero movie to win Best Picture. Yalitza Aparicio could be the first Indigenous woman to win Best Actress. And let's not forget that Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga will do a duet that will definitely top this one.
But you said goodbye to Grumpy and Sleepy, left the dwarves behind, came to town to stay.
Stay tuned to imdb.com/Oscars for interviews, analysis, and more at the IMDb Live at the Elton John AIDS Foundation Academy Awards viewing party, starting at 7:30 Eastern, 4:30 Pacific on Sunday, February 24th.